In this video, we will be demonstrating how to wire a three-phase Munro LP 2 horsepower, 3 horsepower, and 1502 pump. Step 1. Review the motor data on the nameplate. As you can see, this three-phase motor runs on 208 to 230 volts or 460 volts. The wiring diagram is located on the right side of the nameplate. This diagram will show you where each wire connects and how to wire for high voltage 460 or lower voltage 208 to 230. Note, the motor is pre-wired to run on 208 to 230 volts. Step 2. Prep the motor. Remove the motor cover and locate the corresponding connections as listed on the diagram. Install a Romex connector. This connector will hold the wire in place. Pass the wire through the Romex from the outside . Step 3. Wire the motor connections. As referenced on the wiring diagram, you should have a ground wire, 9 motor leads, and 3 lines. If wiring for 208 to 230 voltage, connect the grounding wire to the green ground screw. Verify motor leads 4, 5, and 6 are together. Motor leads 7 and 1 should be pre-paired. Attach line 1 to this connection. Motor leads 8 and 2 should be pre-paired. Attach line 2. Lastly, motor leads 9 and 3 should be pre-wired. Attach line 3. If wiring for high voltage, remove all pre-joined wires and tape. Following the diagram, identify and join the motor leads as indicated. In this example, join leads 4 and 7. Add wire nuts and tape. Complete for all wire connections, including the 3 incoming power leads. Step 4. Replace the motor cover. Once finished, tuck the motor leads into the motor, replace the cover, and your 3-phase pump is now wired and ready for rotation confirmation, aka bump test. If you need help walking through the wiring or bump test process, contact Munro Technical Support. Our team is here to help.